Batu Xiang Tools and Measuring Instruments Company Limited. Your reliable Chinese partner located in Bo-To City, home of casting in China. With 50-person professional team and 3000 M2 workshop. We specialize in positioning accuracy, outstanding rigidity and stability, long-lasting durability and flexible modular design 3D flexible welding platforms, and accessories. Our products assist automobile manufacturing, rail transit, engineering machinery, aerospace and heavy equipment sectors, which significantly improving welding efficiency and quality. Our products have exported to over 20 countries including North America, Europe, and Southeast Asia. High quality, competitive price. We are pretty sure that we will be your best choice. Join hands with Xiang, win the future together.